Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here from Aneke Budgets, and welcome guys to February Closeout. Y'all, February was such a great month for me. It's such a great month for me. And so I'm so excited to talk about February Closeout, baby, because you know what? Let's get into the tea, okay? So this is your first time here. I hope you can say hitting that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, hitting that like button, and leaving a comment down in the comment box below because, baby, get into it, all right? So without further ado, let's start talking about my business for the month of February, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is February's budget that I'm going to be breaking down all the things of what happened, and so let's get started, okay? So the first thing is my salary. Now, my salary didn't change that much. It was actually $4,403, and not $4, child. I thought it was $4, but it's actually $4,403, and I did keep my rental income of $600, so that was still good. And so my actual income was $5,003, not $5,004. So we're down by $1, y'all, but that's good. No tea, no shade. So anyways, next we're gonna move on to my bills and expenses. So I did pay $1,320 for my mortgage. I did pay $50 for my HOA. Patreon was still $17.50. Pest control was $68.82. Internet was still $98.38. What else? Driven Elite was $25. Merrick, which is my dad in Jamaica, was still $200. ADT security was $53.91. Did they say at $53.91? I think they said at $53.91. Okay. Hold up, because I may have miscalculated then. No, let's verify real quick. I thought they stayed at 53. No, they went up to $60.27. So hold up, y'all. ADT security, where's my thing? Was not 53. There was $60.27. So there was 60 and 27. Navy Federal credit card was $203.21, but your girl paid $314.38, y'all. $314.58. Why am I lying? 38. I paid $314.58. AppleCare still stayed at $8.55. My electricity for the month of February was $112.40. My car payment still stayed at $401. My Apple One stayed at $18.18, and then my water stayed at $79.35, right? $79.35. Y'all, I be having these numbers on the side because, child, leave it up to me to remember all of these, and your girl don't got it, okay? $79.35. And so car insurance, I paid $437 because this was my once every 6 months, my semi-annual bill. Now, the only other thing is that I do have a other category, and that is for the things that I paid with my credit card and paid back on my credit card. So my credit card doesn't have this balance because I paid it back. So I did have to pay other, and I did have a total amount of that of $177.44, but the 60.27 minus this $53.91, and I have a total of $6.36. And so in my other category, I originally had $177.44, but I'm gonna minus this $6.36. So I put in other, which is what I probably paid on my credit card, I put a total of $171.08. So that is how we got to that number, little baby. Okay, so when you look at all the things, child, okay, all my other bills had come up to a total of $3,204.67, plus our $6.36 for the difference between the ADT security. And so that is $3,211.03. That was my original bills for the month. But then you add in this 171.08, and so now I have a total of $3,382.11, which is what I paid in bills, right? And 11 cents. That is the total that I paid in bills. So once you subtract this amount from $5,003, you have $1,620.89. Okay, so that was that portion. So now we're gonna move down into my budget binder section. So in my cash envelopes and sinking funds, in my cash envelope and sinking funds, I have a total of $1,371.89, which went to that. And then your girl did not have $600 go to saving challenges. She had $249 in total go to saving challenges. So if you do the 1,371.89 plus this 249, we get the $1,620.89, which is what was remaining there. So there's nothing here. So my income source was $5,003. My bills and expenses was $3,382.11. My budget binder were $1,620.89, and that left me with nothing remaining, y'all. And that is basically my monthly budget in, like, you know, a little bit. All right, so let's go over to my monthly taskers. So my monthly taskers, the first one I have for my financial goal is to save $600 to saving challenges. Obviously did not do that. Read The Richest Man in Babylon. If you did not, we finished that book yesterday, so I definitely did that. Pay an extra $300 towards debt. I did not pay extra $300 towards debt. $314.58 is what I paid in total. My balance, my budgeted balance, which is my minimum balance, was $203. I only paid like extra $100 and something. So I don't know why I put an X for that, but I did not do that. Get my emergency fund to $1,000. I did do that. And then 50 no spend days. Did I do that? Did I do that? I don't know. That's a question mark. That is something that I'm working better on by using my monthly overview. My what's it called, child? My calendar spread to track. So that is something that your girl's doing, but I don't know. So that's a question mark right there. Now for my personal goals, did I spend time with God? Not as much as I would like. Did I study for my next rank? A little bit. Go to Big Booty Academy? A little bit, but I do need to go more now. And then no creative accounting. I don't know how to say like no for this or yes for this, because the only thing that I really did spend extra money on was for food, and that was between my allowance and groceries. So anything that I didn't have in my allowance, I used from groceries, and that was the only thing for creative accounting that I did. So I'm gonna go no with this, but that's the only thing that I did. Okay, next is the debt of the month. Now I did put my car loan on here originally as a debt of the month, so it is what it is. And then what was my starting balance for the month? I didn't even think about this. I'm like, what? What's my starting balance? Oh, let me try and get that for y'all. Oh, let me get my iPad real quick so I can log in. Let me log in real quick. So, for my car loan, right, my starting balance for the month for my car loan was $11,000. $91.21. I do have a 3.54% that I do pay. I pay a total of $401 on this car loan, and then my ending balance was $10,717.03. So when you do starting balance $11,091.21 minus $10,717.03, I have a difference between these of $374.18. And so that would mean so the difference would be $374.18. And then for shits and giggles, I paid an interest total of $26.82. So that is my debt of the month, my car loan, and all that good jazz. Now I do have to put my saving challenge of the month, which is the penny challenge, and I don't think I really calculated all of that. So let me look real quick, because I did write it down, child. The girl is playing no games. So for the month of February, it looks like I only put like 13. Hold on, why am I looking at that? Let's look at this. Let's look at the actual penny challenge sheet. So for February, I added 10. I added $10 in February, and I think that is it. That's crazy. Hold on. This is when this part I didn't prep for, y'all. I prep for a lot of things and other things, but not this part. So hold on. Back it up. So it looks like in the penny challenge, I added $20. That is what I added. So my goal was $150, child. I don't know why, but I added $20 in there. So this is $20 right here. And then your girl can go ahead and do a little bit of coloring. Just to color. And then boom. So that is it for my February budget, y'all. That is all the things. Let me put back things where they're supposed to go, child. Let's not have monies just sitting out, because we don't want that. No, thank you. Okay, so that is it. Girl, calm down. That is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed February. Like I said, it was so good to me. So good. And so now your girl is just out here doing her best for March, and it's starting off rough, y'all. It's starting off rough, but we're making it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit a like button, leave your 2 cents with your comments, subscribe, turn your notifications on, child. Go and watch Sunday Breeze, because yesterday was a vibe. It was the last reading of the book, and so we completed our first book in Sunday Reads. And so yeah, I hope to see y'all this Sunday coming up for our new book, The 48 Laws of Power. I was calling it the 48 Laws of Power, child. I don't know why. But the 48 Laws of Power. And let's get this money together. Let's do great things. And yeah, so anyways, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.